Hey guys. In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best microwave oven price under $200. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, durability, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Aliexpress CM1L 202B Microwave Oven. Voltage 220 volts. Power 700 watts. Gross weight about 13.1 kilograms. Net weight about 12 kilograms. Capacity 20 liters. Large capacity to meet your needs. 1 button rapid heating. Size 459 x 281 352 millimeters. Opening method by door. Number 4. Avex TR450BCL Microwave Oven. Voltage 220 volts. Capacity 41 liters. Type convection oven, turbo oven. Controlling mode mechanical timer control. Style horizontal. Control mechanical. Number of heating elements 2. Power source electric. Number of ovens single. Power 2000 watts. Material metal, glass. Number 3. Yunlin Lee 31334 CN Microwave Oven. Voltage 220 volts. Capacity 15 liters. Function true microwave. Power W 901 to 1300 watts. Door lock type hand pull type. LCD no tray. Type glass turntable. Type convection oven. Installation countertop. Controlling mode mechanical timer control. Panel transparent. Material metal. Certification /rated. Power 1100 to 1300 watts. Rated frequency 5060 Hz. Color silver gray. Capacity 12 liters. Product size 408 x 302 227 millimeters. Number 2. Aliexpress 1208 Microwave Oven. Capacity 15 liters. Voltage 220 volts. Power 901 to 1300 watts. Function grilling, speed cook with quartz halogen bulb, steam cooking, sterilize, true microwave, regular grade, steam cube. Controlling mode mechanical timer control. Type speed cook with quartz halogen bulb. Panel flat plate. Installation countertop. Door lock type hand pull type. Material stainless steel. Housing material plastic. Capacity range 11 liters inclusive -20 liters inclusive. Color classification red, deep red. Control mode mechanical. Style embedded. Power 1050 watts. Capacity 12 liters. Number 1. Yunlin Lee T7L 384D Microwave Oven. Voltage V 220 volts. Power W 1800 watts. Capacity 31 to 40 liters. Type / number of ovens single. Number of heating elements 4. Style horizontal. Power source, electric. Material, stainless steel. Controlling mode, digital timer control. Control, digital type. Household appliances for kitchen. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. In this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.